Dear CLAD aspirants, hello. This is Ravi sir from Logicans. I hope your preparation is going quite very well. To add some value to it, let me take you to a brief tour and a quick tour to 15 most important current affairs topics. These topics will be really very helpful while you are going for current affairs section in CLAD 2020 examination. So let's begin. Okay students, so let's begin with the 15 current affairs topics that you cannot afford to miss in your CLAT preparation. Now, the very first and the 15th most important topic is IND-SpaceX program. India is all set to launch first ever space war exercise months after success of mission Shakti. So this becomes a quite very important topic. ये एक बहुत ही important topic आप लोगों के लिए बन जाता है because this exercise will help India to prepare for future space wars. And this has been done in the vision and supervision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So 15th topic is quite very important. Don't forget IND-SpaceX. 14th is Hurricane Dorian. Now this is under international events. ये international events का part है. The effects of Hurricane Dorian in the Bahamas were among the worst experienced for any natural disaster in the country. सबसे खतरनाक hurricane रहा ये. And it struck Abaco Islands as a category 5 hurricane on September 1. And a day later it hit Grand Bahamas Island, bringing many destructions out in these areas. There was a damaging of around 3.4 billion US dollars. इसमें 3.4 billion dollars US के equivalent damage हुआ है, amounting to 70 deaths in the country and 282 people found missing. So this is something you should go for. Then 13th is all about Nobel Prize winners. It's not only about Abhijit Banerjee, but Abhijit Banerjee is an Indian who has got Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science in 2019, along with his two co-researchers Esther Duflo and Michael Kremer. So go through it. And the research was based on experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. तो इसके पैसेजेस पर, इसके एडिटोरियल्स पर आप लोग जाइए, इसकी डिटेल्स लीजिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नॉट ओनली अभिजीत बैनर्जी बट अदर्स ऑल्सो. दिस इज ओनली जस्ट अ टॉपिक और इसके सराउंडिंग में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं आप उसको प्रिपेयर करें. एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू हाउ टू गो फॉर द डिटेलिंग्स. देन 12th is IMI, that is Intensified Mission Indradhanush. Now this is not a mission for space, right? This is a simple mission to cover all those children by 2020 who are either unvaccinated or are partially vaccinated against vaccine preventable diseases. So India's universal immunization program provide free vaccines against 12 life threatening diseases. 12 diseases से बच्चों को बचाता है और इसमें annually मिशन है 26 million children को कवर करने का. Then 11th most important topic, US sanctions on Iran. Now this has been a latest debate very recently. US का ईरान पर बहुत तरह के sanctions हुए हैं. And in September 2019, US sanctioned in a way of an official said that ki whoever deals with Iran or purchases its oil, right, he will also have to face the sanctions. Now in September 2019, in response to a suspected Iranian attack on key Saudi Arabian oil facilities, Trump said that he directed the Treasury Department to substantially increase sanctions on Iran. So these will be increasing. In the on 21st February 2020, Iran was placed on the FATF blacklist. So children, go through this topic very comprehensively. This is the biggest international debate that is going on right now. Even though it is COVID-19, this is a very disturbing situation for every country. But removing this part, this is the second biggest problem that people are facing, that is problem with US and Iran, because Iran is the major oil exporter to all the countries including India. Then another important topic that you should cover for your general knowledge is India-Nepal border dispute. The Kalapani territory is an area that is disputed between India and Nepal, but under Indian administration as part of Pithoragarh district in the Uttarakhand state. The Kali River forms the boundary between India and Nepal in this region. However, India states that the headwaters of the river are not included in the boundary. So this is a kind of a case between India and Nepal border dispute. काला पानी टेरिटरी को लेकर के ये डिस्प्यूट है, इसको कंप्लीट करिए, इसकी सारी डिटेल्स लीजिए. Important point number 9 is Kartarpur corridor. This is a visa-free border crossing and secure corridor connecting Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Pakistan to the border with India. Right. Along with Kartarpur corridor came next important point, that was Ayodhya verdict. इसके बीच की भी पॉलिटिक्स है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको कवर करनी है, समझना है. सो गो फॉर अयोध्या वर्डिक्ट. द फाइनल जजमेंट इन द अयोध्या डिस्प्यूट was declared by the Supreme Court of India on 9th November 2019. The Supreme Court of India ordered the disputed land to be handed over to a trust to build the Ram Janmabhoomi temple. So this is quite very important and impacted the country a lot. Then seventh most happening news that has happened in the past 1 year is the merger of 10 big public sector banks, PSBs, into 4. Like Oriental Bank of Commerce and UBI, United Bank of India, will be merged in PNB. Syndicate Bank will be merged into Canara Bank. Indian Bank will be merged with Allahabad Bank. Union Bank of India with Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank. Now, after the merger, there will be 12 PSUs. 12 PSUs होंगे. Don't forget the figures. 12 PSUs, 6 merged banks, and 6 independent public sector banks. Right? 6 merged banks would be SBI, Bank of Baroda, PNB, यानी Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India, and Indian Bank. 6 independent banks would be Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Punjab, and Sindh Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India. Right? So all these points are quite very important for all of you. I would like you all to explore a little bit more to this. Now, sixth point, which is again very important, learn all the missions like Chandrayaan going to moon. Gaganyaan is a fully autonomous 3.7 ton spacecraft designed to carry a 3-member crew to orbit and safely return to the Earth in 7 days. Then Cartosat 3 is the third generation of high resolution imaging satellites developed by ISRO. ISRO ने इसको बनाया है. It was developed in response to increased demand for imaging services to address urban planning, rural resource and infrastructure development needs. Samudrayaan, we can नाम ही काफ़ी है, नाम से पता चल रहा है. Samudrayaan is a pilot project of Ministry of Earth Sciences for deep ocean mining for rare minerals. Under the proposed Samudrayaan project, 3 men will be sent into deep sea. 3 लोग deep sea में भेजे जाएंगे in a submersible vehicle to a depth of about 6,000 meters. Right? Interesting? Very interesting. Important point number 5 that you should cover, because all these passages might come and will definitely come in CLAT 2020. So the Union Budget of India for 2020 to 2021 was presented by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 1st February 2020 as her second budget. I would like you all to go through it in complete detail. Check what were the changes as with respect to the previous years, what are the possible questions, how COVID-19 can impact the budget 2020, all these things. There are so many editorials and passages which are available in The Hindu, Times of India, Indian Express, Business Standard. You can please go through those passages. You might find them in CLAT 2020. Then, important point number 4, Brexit. It is Britain exit. Brexit is the withdrawal of the United Kingdom from the European Union. Following a UK-wide referendum in June 2016 में, in which 52% voted to leave, 52% लोगों ने वोट किया, 48% लोगों ने वोट किया कि वो नहीं छोड़ना चाहते हैं. So the British government formally announced the country's withdrawal in March 2017, beginning the Brexit process. So Brexit process started with in the year, say you can say 2017. The process started in 2017 and now it has got the exit. Then third most important topic is CAA NRC. CAA NRC is all about Citizenship Amendment Act, and NRC is the National Register of Citizens. Dear students, I would like you to go through this in a complete detail. It created a lot of havoc. बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हुआ, बहुत ही chaotic situation बनी, बहुत सारे protest के साथ इसको आगे बढ़ाया गया. But I would like you all to go through it. Just write CANRC in the Google, explore it. Article 370, Jammu Kashmir, and lot many more about Jammu and Kashmir. Union territory is breaking up into number of divisions. It's a must do, must to note about for your preparation. So many facts are there in Jammu and Kashmir. You need to consider that also, right? And you have to take the static information of this part also. Static information मतलब वो information जो इसके previous GK से जुड़ी हुई है, पहले जम्मू कश्मीर में क्या क्या changes रहे हैं, किस तरीके से changes रहे हैं, उसका क्या मसला है, उसका क्या problems हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें आपको facts start करनी होंगी और इसके notes खुद से बनाइए. Then not to mention that the most important topic that we all are facing right now, it's not only the topic, it's about the question of life, COVID-19. Try to gather as much information in COVID-19 that you can. Keep a track on the figures. Keep a track on the latest updates. Keep a track on the impact of COVID-19 on various activities and sectors, economy, agriculture, and everything, right? How the things are changing due to COVID-19 and the future might change. So this is one of the most important topic that you must not leave. So dear students, these are the 15 topics that you should cover. Apart from this, इन टॉपिक्स को लेकर के आप अगर एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं तो आपको सिंपली ये करना चाहिए कि आप गूगल पे जाएं, गूगल पे इन टॉपिक्स को जो हमने यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पे दिखाया है आपको उसका नाम लिखें और उसके आगे इतना लिख दें एडिटोरियल्स, और उससे रिलेटेड जितने एडिटोरियल्स हैं आप उसको पढ़ें. ये फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन लेवल 2 ये होगा कि उस इंफॉर्मेशन में फर्दर जो चीज़ें आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही हैं उनको फर्दर रिसर्च करके और भी चीज़ें जो एसोसिएटेड है पता कर लें. तो अगर लेवल 2 तक आपने कवर कर लिया है तो आई थिंक आप क्लैट के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड हैं. इफ़ यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द लाइक. And I would like to suggest, if you really want to prepare with a crash course, you need for that, Logicans is out there to help you in every manner, and we have the best quality system to assist you for different programs, different brush-ups of learning, covering up concepts and cracking examinations like anything. So you can join our speed crash course. You can contact us at 983-983-9385, or you can log into our website https://logicansindia.com. And for further more information, if you want to go for it after lockdown, you can come and visit the center at the below mentioned address. All the best to all of you. Thank you so much.